Hey YouTube, we back. This is what's this? The new front form?
Segment 4.
Set form? Different form? Yeah, we're gonna continue on what we was talking about the vending machine business. Y'all ready? All right, let's go.
Let's roll, let's roll, let's roll, Sean.
So
Is
that
it
what we
okay? The
talking about?
last segment we ended on how much money does it cost to fill up your vending machine,
Yep, that's it.
and you expound on
I
that.
told y'all it was like $300 to fill up a empty machine is like $300 for a snack machine.
Okay.
So you don't want to let it go empty once you have it.
All right. Next question is investing in a vending machine worth it? I mean, is it a good hustle? Talk to me.
Every business is a good business.
Okay.
Every business is a bad business. It
Okay.
just depends on if it's in your heart or not. If it's not in your heart, the vending business can give you all the money. It's gonna suck because, like I said, I have a job and I do this business. So I do this business from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and then I go to work from 6 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. So what do you think about that?
Woo!
Would you like to do that?
So my next question is there a work-life balance
No.
with this?
What you say?
Work-life balance, work-life balance.
What's that?
I want to be able to balance my vending machine business, my second job, my main job, my priority job, which is your vending machine's a hustle, so that's your side job.
That's like my business though.
It's your business, okay?
And you
so
want to hang out with
entrepreneur.
your significant other.
Yeah, that part.
So I used to say I wanted my significant other. I want to pay bills 50-50, but now I'm kind of better off financially now. I need my spouse not to work.
Woo!
She wanna
100%. She can stay home.
No, she can't stay home. She can help me,
Okay.
or she could do her own business.
Right.
But yeah, that's so. Would you say life balance? There's no really such no good. You can't be wealthy and have a
You
balance.
have to have a work-life balance.
You can't.
Though.
That's why you have to go for your purpose, make enough money so your spouse don't have to work, so they can spend the time with you while you're doing your business. A real business, your spouse will be able to go with you.
Right, but then that's going to create a work-life balance.
That
Because
will
if your
create.
spouse is with you, what y'all going to do? Go from location to location?
That's exactly what she's gonna do. Yep.
Wow.
So if she's at another person's job, you'll never see her. I would never see her because I have a night job and a daytime business. I would
Right.
never see her.
By the time you come home in the morning, she's ready to go to her 8 to 4:30 or 9 to 5 job,
Yeah.
right? So you got for her to stay home and you take care of the bills and everything because your side hustle is bringing in enough
Yeah.
money.
Well, she can help me
To
do
play.
She can help me do the business. Yep.
All right.
But like I said, I financed everything. And then I went through COVID, so I didn't really make a profit. So I have to have a regular job and my business. So if I bought all this stuff cash, I could probably live off of the business and just quit my job.
Right, COVID messed everybody up. But if COVID wasn't involved back in 2020, all that would have been cash. And guess what? Profits higher. You don't have to pay back credit cards. And
But
just doing-
I financed everything. So I kind of over leveraged myself. So I had to do what I had to do to get it. Some people not gonna do the way I'm doing it. It's like too much.
Right, you don't want to get in debt for sure.
I over leveraged a little bit getting this business. But I'm still happy about it. Like I said, a normal person would have been quick because it's like overwhelming. Me, I'm happy I'm doing it.
Okay, because you know what? I see you with your vehicle. Your vehicle is packed with all your goods and your products.
It's better now. When I first started, without that VMS, the software system,
Uh-huh.
I only had 5 machines, so it wasn't that bad. I had to drive around with everything. Like my whole
Wow.
car was full. I couldn't even see out the windows.
For your van, yeah.
No, that was my car. You didn't see the car before.
Oh, okay.
So the car was full. When I bought the van, I had the credit card reader. So when you had the credit card readers and the software, you can look on the computer at home and you can say, I need to go here today, here, and here.
Right.
So you don't have to carry everything. You just carry what's needed for that location. But I still pack my car. I had a Model Y. I still pack it up at certain locations. Sometimes.
That Tesla be in the wind.
Yeah.
All the
one
parts.
location. Yeah.
And look, don't get caught in the snow because if you get caught in the snow and everybody hungry, guess what? They're gonna see all your vending products.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. They're gonna be like, "Hey, sir, we're hungry." And then you're gonna be
I
making
saw-
money on the side of the road.
Can't be doing that. I did that one time. I don't even like that.
Well, I'm
'Cause
saying
I'm-
that's desperate times.
Yeah, you
I'm
can't.
saying if you got caught in some type of hurricane or something. Right now, we have Ophelia coming up here. Ophelia, she's like real busy. So hopefully you won't be out there with your product.
I try not to sell stuff out the car because I have just enough stuff to fill up that location.
Yeah.
Like sometimes I might sell one item or two items, but yeah, don't get carried away. Then I gotta go back home and pick up more product.
Oh yeah, that's not good. Ever good. Business is business.
Yep. So I'm trying to keep it like that. So y'all, this was this part 4?
Yeah, this
part
is
5.
fun. Yeah.
All right, we see y'all later. Part 5. Remember to subscribe, leave a note. Any questions you have, I'll tell you all the answers that I have for you. Thanks.